Man, I'm stressed out, where the booze be? I need a brewski, something that soothes me. Little bit of liquid to kick harder than Bruce Lee's. Loosely, too free, so I grab a loose leaf. Everyone's like, who's he? Guess I'll give a news brief. The name's Feral, bitch, I think it's time you recognize I'm the type of person that'll eat all of your extra fries. Hungry, but I exercise, getting big, I'm next to rise. Yeah, seems I just got up on this elevator. Now all the previous haters are asking me for the favors, but I leave them at the bottom, headed for the top floor. But before I make it there, I got a lot more. When I get there, I'll be careful for those top floors, cause the janitor's the one with keys to lock doors. I am careful where I step, I don't burn bridges, cause I've learned in this that you gotta earn riches. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. Only dreams are what I'm chasing. It seems that what I'm facing is a scheme that only green is what it seems from expectations. What I need's the best creations. There are no limitations, only limits are the minutes. Counting down your next vacation. My vacation's in my basement. Never take a day off, cause everybody knows it when you put in work it pays off. The trade-off is those who think it's coming at the pays off. The minutes counting down your next vacation. My vacation's in my basement. Never take a day off, cause everybody knows it when you put in work it pays off. The trade-off is those who think it's coming at the day's cost. It's gonna be some years before you even start to take off. Breaks off, this rap shit is a game and it's the playoffs. Don't play soft, I gotta slide at every beat like Adolf Hitler. Heading for the clouds and I'm a twister, heating up like a transistor, about to pop out like a blister. Yeah, it's almost impossible to stand the odds against me. I won't stand on, all I do is write my plans out so that they'll understand how I can reach my goals, expand out. Then I slowly gain exposure and I'll make them awesome fans now. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams.
You feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch or fall. 3 foot tall. Like you're 3 foot tall. 3 foot tall. There's no one there.
Stress out, waking up, it's time to get it. Ain't no room for the haters, ain't got time for jealousy. I'm too focused on the music, the money, and where I'm headed. If it rain on my parade, I'ma get an umbrella. Fuck all they damn opinions. Never really been the one to listen. Ain't no one else in the world on my vision. Still I want the distance and stay driven. Gotta go for it, do or die. Can't slow down, I feel too alive. I'ma chase my dreams, fucking suicide. If you walked in my shoes, you would lose your mind. Got the blood of a champion in my veins. I ain't following nobody, I'm in my own lane. Live a day in my life, come and feel my pain. I'm balling out like LeBron and Dwayne in overtime. On my life, time to turn it up into overdrive. Gotta live your life with an open mind. Blood, sweat, tears got me so alive. Pull up with a bad one in a passer. Jerk side with an ass, got a fat one. Used to never get money, your hoes back then. Now I get both whenever I get a chance to. Wait to focus on the money, turn a vision to it. Embrace the struggle and you're gonna get through it. Never give up, boy, you gotta keep moving. Don't worry about me or what I'm doing. If anyone listening got a dream, better go for it. If you think about giving up, better hold on. I've been on my grind, hustling for so long. Pull up, good vibes, someone roll one.
When you're alone, life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch or fall. 3 foot tall. Like you're 3 foot tall. 3 foot tall.
Waking up with the same routine, hoping and praying for sunshine. A plan that don't work out as they cruising. Looking at rappers, it's lunchtime. Sick of the drugs and the groupies. Hustling hard, boy, it's crunch time. Praying to God he don't lose me. Shout to my family one time. Putting my thoughts on the Bruce Lee, on the Bruce Lee, and this rap shit. Sometimes this life will get lonely and comes, so gon' make sure that you bring a jacket. Putting my heart and my soul in this music, I can't wait too far to turn back, bitch. People all told me that I wouldn't make it, now they the ones saying congrats, kid. Used to keep money that I made from hustling right there up under my mattress. Now I ain't tripping, don't worry about slipping, I got an account for that shit. Stood on my own 2 feet, nothing was headed to me, every day I would practice. Struggling every day, trying to find myself in this world that's full of madness. Stressed out, working hard,